What advice would you have for upcoming seniors who are about to enter our college admission cycle?
Okay, so basically, don't be lazy. Like, this is not the time to be lazy. You need to keep up your stats. Obviously, that's not the only thing though. Also make sure you keep on top with your extracurriculars, and also to just like start brainstorming your SEA topics and like supplementals. It's never too early to start, and I start pretty late and I regret every single second of it. Like, it was terrible.
Get on top of your essays early and start early, because I started during the senior year and I felt a little bit rushed. I had like so many like portfolios and essays to finish. If I started maybe like the summer before, I would have been able to like be less stressed.
What do you hope to study at Cornell, and what are your plans after Cornell?
So I hope to study fashion design management. It's more like within the sustainable department, and then what I hope to do in the future is I hope to use the skills that I learned at Cornell to apply them to like certain fashion industries that I hope to join, such as like Nike or Adidas. And then I eventually want to create my own fashion brand in the future.
Basically, I'm majoring in political science and studying government and stuff like that, and I'm also minoring in econ. And basically what I hope to do at Rice is like make new friends, like join like extracurriculars and like become active with the student life and just become really immersed in the college experience and like find connections with teachers and professors, be able to like collaborate with other students to just like make the world a better place in the future. Thank you very much.